When beginning any research project, the first step you must take is understanding the assignment. The assignment is often the only piece of written information you have to work with. Sure, you might have notes from a discussion of the assignment in class, but the only factual evidence you have to work with is the assignment itself. Breaking this piece of information down and understanding it is sometimes challenging, yet it is very important. Your assignment may only be a brief paragraph, but that paragraph is chock full of useful information. The trick is identifying and analyzing these key pieces of information. Many assignments follow a simple format. The format is as follows. We start with an introduction to the assignment. This part is really used as a refresher for something that was discussed in class at some point and ultimately gives this assignment its context. Then there is the core of the assignment. The thesis of this paragraph tells you exactly what to do. Period. Pay close attention to how it is worded, and spend time both prior to and after you have performed your research and make sure it addresses this key part. Next, you should find the additional information section. This is the professor giving you leads to jumpstart your research for this assignment. In this particular case, it is found right after the introduction and right before the core of the assignment. However, this component of our analysis of the assignment isn't always found here or even included at all. But when it is, it offers potential idea starters. The next component to look for when analyzing your assignment is the action or acting verb. This verb by itself leads you to what type of research and project you are to gather and draft. Informative verbs such as define, summarize, research, explain, etc. ask you to demonstrate knowledge of a subject of the research project. The who, what, when, how, where, and why of the subject. Relation verbs such as compare, contrast, apply, and relate ask you to demonstrate how two or more concepts are connected. And interpretation verbs such as analyze, argue, assess, support, justify, and evaluate ask you to demonstrate an opinion on the subject, backed by evidence, of course. Each type of verb ultimately sets the course to how your research is presented. Are you to prepare a narrative, expository, descriptive, or persuasive paper? The action or acting verb should explain which one you are to pursue. The next section to analyze in your assignment prompt is the tips section. Like the additional material section, this part may or may not appear in your prompt. It is further aid to help you complete your assignment. This section gives you insight into what the professor expects in your project. Make sure to apply any principles found in this section as they help ensure a quality grade from your hard work. Last, we have the logistics. This section of the prompt tells you how to present the project to your professor and/or class. How many pages, what is the length of your oral presentation, formatting, citation style, and so on. Once you have analyzed the assignment, you are ready to begin topic development. If you need help understanding the assignment, please do not hesitate to contact the library or schedule a one-on-one appointment using Book a Librarian.